Hello, welcome again to the OneCap app video series. Today we're going to talk about an exciting new product, OneFusion. OneFusion allows you to display your captions over any screen that you have on your computer. So we let you download this application and you start that application, and then it hooks up to our streaming server, and the text that you're pushing out to our streaming server then will get displayed in OneFusion. And it's special because you can then move that text on over the top of any of the different screens that you would have on your computer. So it could be so maybe you started a PowerPoint presentation, or maybe you have a video running on that computer. So then you just start up OneFusion, and it sends the text right on top of it. It's easy to use. The screen itself that houses the captions can be resized on the fly. It's really easy to use. I'll show you how to do it. You download the app here, OneFusion, just by clicking on this download, and you save it and install it. Just follow the instructions, and then after you have installed it, you'll have an icon down here, OneFusion. And that's what you'll start on the computer at the remote site. So we start up a session. I'm just going to create a simple little session. I'm going to call it OneFusion. It's going to be a private. The viewer assigned is Fast Viewer 1. I'm going to start it. I'm going to write a little bit to it. I'm sending a speaker color macro. So every time a new speaker happens, with the double chevrons, it's changing the color for it. That's not part of OneFusion, but I'm just showing that to you here as an additional bonus. I won't show you how to do it because that's in a different video. But anyway, so we've sent some text to it. And now for OneFusion, you come back over here, just double click on that icon, and it's going to ask you for an event ID. The event ID is similar to your Adobe ID if you've ever used Adobe. But how we get that, this hover on, hover off button up here shows some additional information about this session that you're going to want. And that's this session ID. So 30221 is our session ID, 30221. You come over here and type in 30221, and then you launch it. It's going to ask you for the viewer user ID and pass, not your sign on to the admin session. This is going to ask for the viewer user and pass. So the viewer was Fast Viewer, if you remember. And so now it's loading the page, and then the text box shows up. Let me move this. You can resize it. To as big as you want. And if you notice, when you resize it, the lines change automatically. So if I make it a little bit bigger, it goes to 9, a little bit smaller, goes to 7, so forth and so on. You can change the background. You can play around with that on your own. what's nice about this is that it's transparent. You can put it anywhere. You can make it any size that you want. If you want the controls to come back, you click this little cogwheel and you can change the font size to smaller. It adjusts automatically up and down. You can change how it's displayed, word for word, line by line, or live, similar to what we already have out there on our regular session setup. You can change the font to Arial, and it changes it on the fly. It is just really cool. But that's pretty much it. When the session is done, you come back in here and click your cogwheel and you stop it and exit. That is pretty much OneFusion. It's simple to use, and it's a dynamite product. You just might want to check it out. Thanks. Give us a call if you got questions at 855-422-7277, or give us an email at contact@onecapapp.com. Thanks. Bye.